Hello everyone, my name is Edna G. Panergaling. I'm currently taking BSIT and my future goal is to work as web developer and eventually take over our business and take it to the next level. Speaking English is important to me, especially in a class discussion, team presentation, and eventually client meetings. When I speak, my tone is warm and approachable. However, my biggest issue is my fast pace that often affect my clarity and pronunciation. I definitely adjust my tone based on the situation. If I'm talking to my friend, I will adjust it to the casual. But when I speak to our client, my tone will be more structured and more respectful. So the one listening habit I really want to improve is withholding judgment. It's under emotional, just taking a step back and letting the other person finish their point before reacting. My main challenge is professional speaking is managing my speed when I get nervous. When I rush, my pronunciation suffers the most. That's why the key skills I want to work on this term from Unit 1 to 3 is slow down my pace and focusing on deliberate pronunciation. Using strategic pauses will give me time to enunciate my words clearly and keep my message on point. Mastering a steady pace and clear pronunciation will build a much stronger professional identity for me. It will give me the confidence to pitch the ideas to clients, lead technical projects, and run our business effectively in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.